Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have pepper shrimp.
Pepper shrimp.
This time we don't have the head on.
Huh? Let me see. That's good. Let me show them a little piece first. Put you on there first, lady. Yeah. No head on this one this side.
No head on.
Let me sample. You can go and talk, Nancy.
So I don't have an outfit of the day for you guys today. So we're just gonna dig in. We're gonna chit chat. I do have a story time. I don't know which one I'm gonna tell because I have a lot of them. But I have the Mexican corn again. And
Mexican corn in the building. Let me put on my bib. Put on a bib.
I don't know why.
Cause I'm gonna get down and dirty. What's that sauce for? Lips?
If you want.
Family.
I don't know why I felt for
What?
Mexican corn. I'm gonna put my corn down here. But you know what? Let me eat it right here first.
You right here. Family. Today is the day that I could go crazy with us. Cause we got a lot of shrimp.
I'm gonna drop something.
What do you need? We got a lot of shrimps. Right? So enjoy. So I can't keep going like this to y'all. Y'all just take. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just gotta take today because
You're very generous. And I have a little bit of rice. I don't know, family.
Where's my rice? This is my rice.
No. No. I don't know, family. I'm not used to the background yet. I still miss the old background.
But we gonna set this one up though.
What we're gonna do? We're gonna fix it up.
We gonna fix it up. We ain't gonna tell y'all.
Yeah.
We're gonna fix it up. I want y'all to see it. You gotta close your eyes when you eat your card.
Who are you telling?
Pepper. With the AI. You can be good.
These shrimps are busting.
Busted. Did y'all see first day of the video? If you haven't, go check out the TikTok. First lady put that challenge on the map. So, if you didn't see it, go check it out. Right under the Greedy Couple page. First, you was busting, you know?
Wow, you see?
I told y'all.
That's what happened last time. And now your eyes be bothering you.
Mexican corn you eat? You sure the Mexican corn yet? The Mexican corn yet? I'll show you mine. Take a piece of mine. Here. Take a little piece. And then
Put some butter. Put some sauce. Some sauce there.
listen.
I'm just looking at the background. Family, every time I look at the background, I'm like,
How was your day, man? That's a dipping sauce?
if you wanted to.
Oh. How was your day?
I have it all on my side. I should have put more in here now.
Was it fine? Okay.
I should have put more. Last time I made this, we didn't need a dipping sauce. I guess the shrimp them.
You got something more. Again, and help yourself today. Please do.
Don't be shy. Cause we're not giving none. You have to check it.
You gotta take it, right here. Everybody takes some for all the shrimp lovers and stuff like that. Just take what y'all want. This is good.
I'm gonna tell you the truth. Why didn't you outfit of the day? I was hungry.
Yes, you were. She had a long day.
I came from work and I was like,
Yeah.
I just wanted to go straight to the food.
True talk. Mexican can yam.
Take one bite.
One bite.
So, what did they say about how their day was going?
They said they're doing fine. They say they're doing even better now, cause we on.
Ooh, that's good.
You live. They miss us a lot.
Yeah, we missed them too.
That's right. Won't you miss us? Alright, first thing I got this food story for you. I'm gonna eat some, okay?
I don't know which one I'm gonna tell. Don't worry, eventually you'll hear them all. It's just a matter of picking which one I want to tell.
You're gonna hear it. And first I eat, first I get hungry.
Hungry.
Long day. So how is your New Year going so far? So what, 11 days?
I feel like...
And a lot of them too, sorry, say they got their stimulus.
Huh?
A lot of them say they got their stimulus. It was right.
Wow.
Appreciate it now. Letting us know. Okay? So who should I contact now? I need all mine.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh. You can't even contact nobody, right? What? Oh. They said no. Can't contact, he's gone. Right?
That man, what to say?
Wow.
Honestly, I didn't care what we was eating today. All I knew is that I wanted a Mexican corn.
Yep.
I didn't put any cayenne pepper on the Mexican corn because I knew this was going to be kind of spicy.
But it's not spicy till we can't, you know? You can enjoy it. Go ahead.
Oh.
We are back.
More sauce on deck. Ooh, on deck.
Deck.
So I said something else, enough.
Everybody's on fire. Sorry, we brought more sauce for y'all so y'all can dip now. Don't double dip. Y'all like double dipping? It's my sauce, so I could do it.
What?
What?
Hey, what in the world?
Yo!
What is wrong with you?
Something is wrong. Something going down, son. On the backboard. Bless you.
Bless
Damn.
you.
Family, what's going on? You see that thing? Who wanted that out of my hand? Y'all crazy, man. I'll give y'all so much, you still trying to buy it out of my hand? Y'all bad.
I don't know what to say.
It slipped out my hand. 2 times in a row. Reach far.
You reach far?
Y'all didn't see that.
They saw it. They gonna replay that sucker.
All the time. I already told y'all could have as much as y'all want, and y'all still, the one little piece you have, y'all try to grab it out of my hand.
You know, so you should wear your beard guard?
I should wear my beard guard today. I mean, seafood.
You be forgetting, huh? I can understand. Forget that you have it.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm eating seafood I got. That's too rapid. Is that it? It's all good.
This is so good. Now you taste the pepper, right?
That is good, some good rice.
Yeah. You want some of my rice?
I'm guessing now you want to give me some rice. I tell you, give me some rice. You want to
I
give
actually want some rice before you said no.
I said, my nose, yes.
No.
So you know when I say I don't want certain things, I want it.
I heard. You know rice? Oh, I want the rice.
But you know my nose, yes. You know that already. My rice, man.
I can't read. I can't read mine.
Look at China rice, nice man. Plastic rice.
It's buttery.
You know when I say no, I mean yes.
Yeah, alright, dude. Whatever. To me, I made it too, no?
What? Don't recook.
I asked Tamia to make me some rice, and she sure did.
Mama, your rice tastes good. Now you get me now?
Out of the one that have the head and like this, which one you prefer? It don't matter.
The matter to them could eat.
Oh God.
You ain't gonna ask me that. You know.
I like them.
Wow. You don't see nothing?
You want to spill?
Since y'all watch a lot now, watch y'all realize what I'm doing and I'm not doing. You can't, you don't know what I'm talking about.
We're lost. Can't do much right now.
Okay. I'm eating, but I'm not doing what?
Oh, take it my side.
Not that. I'm eating, but I'm not what? What I usually do when I eat. And I just throw it out.
Oh, gray hot sauce?
You mind that far first here. You mind too far. Excuse me.
So, one day, I'll tell you guys a story time. Cause this camera acting up. Not my time.
Camera tripping on us. Don't be sure.
One day, I was on the phone with my sister. And we were just talking. I was leaving out of Walmart. And I was checking out with her. Like, when I say checking out with her, I mean like she's on the phone with me and I'm checking out. So we talking. Whatever we was talking about, it was good.
Nice.
Conversation did nice.
It was just sticky man.
It is sweet.
I see.
Because I pull out my key and I'm pressing the button to open the door. So I said to my sister, why is this door not opening? Usually when I press it, it makes like a beep. It's not doing that. Because she said, maybe the key fob needs a new battery. I said, that's impossible because it was just working. It wouldn't have just stopped just like that. So I said, what I'm going to do is take the key out. I know you have a key fob. Sometimes there's a key inside for you to at least open the door. So I took the key out and I'm there. The key goes in with no problem. But I'm turning. I'm saying, what the hell? What is wrong with this?
It was nighttime? Okay. Yeah, give her a break. Don't come too hard on her.
I was like, what's going on? This thing's not working. So my sister was like, you sure you brought the right key? I said, hello, I drove here. But she said, well, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, basically. So I said, I'm gonna have to call Richie now. You're gonna have to get AAA. Richie gonna be like, why you left with the key like that if you knew the key wasn't working?
Exactly. Big facts.
So she's like, This don't make no sense. Now I stand there, still trying to get a key in. I said, Vanessa, I'm gonna call you back. I call Richie, like I'm getting ready to call him, and I walk just a little distance from the car, just a little distance. And when you know how you're on the phone, I'm about to call somebody, or you're on the phone, and you like walk in, and I'm just there waiting for the phone to ring, and I turned and I looked. It wasn't even my car.
Don't laugh. That's why I said give her a break. It's nighttime. At nighttime, first they can't see. I do all the night driving. First they can't see at night. So don't laugh at her. Okay? Okay, go ahead.
It wasn't even my car. Not the make, not the model. The color wasn't even the same.
And when you chat too much on the phone. Chat, you see, I tell you chat too much.
I don't understand how I did not know that was not my car. If you saw, it's a quick story though, but if you saw the way I was
digging in the car.
Digging in the people in the car. Imagine the rightful owner walked out and see me. They thought I was trying to hijack their car.
Ripping their car.
I tell you.
At nighttime, no bueno.
No bueno.
No bueno for birthday at nighttime. First lady at night I don't comprehend it.
Be a Spanish you a
Be a Spanish my yo. Be a Spanish. Be Espanol. Yeah. That ever happened to y'all? I'm not sure you're the only one. Go out there and then push your key in the wrong thing. You can't find where you park.
Oh my god, one time I went to the mall and I have a bad habit of jumping out the car and not looking where I parked. Richie is the one that said to me after this incident, Shanice, when you go somewhere, look at the poles. Excuse me guys, look at the poles. It'll tell you what section you're parked at. JKA, whatever. 1, 2, 3, whatever. So I'm in the mall now. Shopping, chilling.
This was close to night too.
Close to night too.
But it wasn't night yet.
And I'm there. I'm done. I said, okay, I'm leaving. Walk out the mall. This mall had not 1, not 2, 3 levels. So I walk out the mall now.
At this point, First Lady messed up. Well, shopping too now?
Well, ready, you know? Could I find my car? Make it worse, it start raining. 45 minutes I walk looking for the friggin' car in the rain. I was soaked. I got so mad I called Richie on the phone crying. I told him he better drive to this mall and go find this car because I can't find the car.
That mall was deep too.
And the mall where I was at, it wasn't like it was down the block from our house. It was like deep. 40 minutes away.
Deep, son. I had to move it like a state trooper, B.
And then he said, Shanice, when you came in the mall, what exit did you go in? I said, I went through the Macy's exit. He said, okay. When you went through the Macy's exit, what floor was you on? I was like, I don't know. I just got out the car and went right to the Macy's. He said, okay, when you got out the door, did you see like other buildings? And I was like, yes. So then he's trying to help me. Finally, family, I finally find the car. You know what I had to do? I had to go on each level, go outside and press the button, the panic button, and see if I hear the car. And then I heard the car. And I came home. Now, I pay much more attention. I'd be like,
have to.
You have to.
I'm telling you again. I'm going to tell you again. I'm going to tell 2 stories. I'm going to tell you. We went on a vacation, family. I'm telling you all the business now because you like it, the business.
3 stories in one day?
Like that. You get a 3 for 1. You have tricked me. We went to Key West on a vacation trip. Right? I'm telling you one here.
So we didn't go fishing. We just went to Key West.
We went to Key West. We didn't go fishing. We went to Key West. First lady killing me. I want ice cream. I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
I saw my song?
Yes.
I saw my song for
Yes.
real.
I want ice cream. I said, all right. You want ice cream? I get ice cream. Y'all did good today with the shrimps.
They did.
Oh.
Oh.
Hold on. I'm blavishing off my mouth. Let me get to that real quick. I'm gonna tell the story. I almost forgot. Y'all didn't even remind me. You see that? Y'all didn't remind me, but I'm gonna let you know. Family. Family, firstly, listen to this. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. What do you think, fam? That's what you think, family. What do you think, first lady?
I love it.
What do you think, family? I'm gonna say it again. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone.
When you stop being afraid, that's when you truly are living. Stop worrying about what people think.
Don't get another one to come. I have a next one for them. That's the word of wisdom. Pastor Richie just signed off. So back to the story now. Yeah. So first lady begged me for ice cream. Begged me for ice cream. I said, all right, I'm gonna take you about ice cream. Family, it was night too. Everything happened night. So
the freaks come out at night.
So family, listen now.
Freaks come out at night.
Listen. So I parked right next to the ice cream shop, right? Drop her off, because I was waiting, because you know there's no parking, so I'm sitting in the car waiting for her. And there was this other car. She got on my hair too. There was other cars parked there. So first day in the store now, buying the ice cream, and she said, "Where you at?" She called me and said, "Where you at?" I said, "I'm in the front." I saw first lady coming out to the ice cream door, right? So I'm watching her. Remember, there's a car in front of me now, and I'm behind the car. Just a little bit down. She's coming out, happy with the ice cream, coming out, watching, marching. So I'm watching, I said, she's walking, but she's not coming to my car. I said, what the hell she's going? First lady, boom, grab the man door. That's not my car, you know? Not paying attention, you know? I think it was the same color car too.
Yeah.
Yes, it was the same color car. I forgot what color car I had then, because
I forgot.
yeah, this was a while ago. I forgot what color cars, because you know, first lady always give me different stuff.
What?
Yeah, so I forgot to tell you, but it was I forgot what color. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So all I see first lady bust through. I said, wait a minute. I know. Oh, she ordered Uber. So I said, what the hell is she doing? Remember, it was at night. So I said, nah, she got to be joking. First lady bust the back door. It's not the back door, the front door of the car.
Door, the passenger side.
Passenger side. Bust it. When you jump in the car, what did the man say now?
When I jumped in the
Yeah,
car
tell me first,
and sat down, I even closed the door. You know? You close the door, family. I close the door, and this is me. With the ice cream. Just like that.
Yo.
And the guy went, "Excuse me," and I was like, "Oh my God!" I didn't even say nothing. I just screamed, and he said, "Excuse me," and I jumped out the car, and I was like, "What the?" And Richie's standing, and he's like this. What the?
Our family. First they did jump in the man car and enjoy the ice cream, you know? Don't even paying attention to freak. What if the man that drive with her? The man was more afraid than her. Man said, yo, what the hell is it? Man thought he pick up a nice lady, you know? Had to watch him.
Yo.
But family,
I'm full.
I'm full. We ate a lot, and I appreciate y'all helping us today, okay? Y'all got 3 stories in one. Y'all got a triple header. Not a double header, triple header. You got a triple double, okay? So make sure you enjoy it. So we shared with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, we are the Greedy Couple, and they are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy Family.
Hold on, don't forget our Instagram is there, Our
The greedy
P.O.
couple.
box is there.
The greedy couple.
If you want to send us something, be our guest. If you want to pop up in a mailbox, pop up in there. But yes, do your thing first, lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.